We're making magic. We're making magic. Don't put that in the video. No, I was just being silly. Don't put that in the video. Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and you know what time it is. You know why you're here. You know why you clicked on this video. So let's just get to it. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I am bonkers over UAG cell phone cases. That is right. Urban Armor gear. They're absolutely phenomenal. I love them. You can go back through my previous videos. I'll link a couple in the description. I might even put one right here, bing, for you to go ahead and watch. But I love UAG cases. I remember the first time I ever had a UAG case, I loved it so much, I went into the local Verizon store. I said, I need another UAG case. I need options. I need colors. And he looked at me and he was like, we don't know what that is. I'm like, what? So I took to the internet and I found their website and I absolutely loved it. I fell in love with it. All of my phones end up in UAG cases. I've never dropped the phone and I've had the screen break. I've had the phone damaged in any way, and I contribute it to the UAG product. It's phenomenal. Why am I so excited about this? Because I love UAG cases, and UAG decided to work with me here for the Love of Tech to bring you case reviews and unboxings and everything else. And I'm extremely grateful for it. I will go ahead and link UAG in the description below. Go there, buy your cases, get all your stuff there. They've got a wide variety for all sorts of cell phones, not just for the XSX. Let's get into it. First, what did they send me? I'm not even sure. I wasn't even part of the decision. Let's just get in there and see what cases they sent me. I'm so excited. Oh my God, stuff everywhere. Amazing. The Plio, yeah, I love the Plio. You know that from my previous video. And the Plasma. All right, guys, here are the cases. I cannot say too many amazing things about UAG cases. Here's a very expensive iPhone XS Max. Very expensive. This guy's not cheap. Currently, I had it in the Apple case because I was terrified of walking around without it in a case. But look at this. Look at the edges of this thing. I mean, guys, I don't even know, aside from the back and the corners, if this thing provides any additional protection at all. And now that you've seen this case, which is a $50 piece of basically rubber, right? 50 bucks, which these are 40 bucks, so they're a little bit more cost effective, but I feel you get a whole lot more for your money, and we're gonna see why right now. I'm gonna start with my favorite, the Plasma, always my favorite. Here's my iPhone 10, and this is my current work phone. As you can see, it's still durable, it's still held up, it's over, the case is about a year old. That fell off as a result of me picking on it, nothing to do with the manufacturer. This little thing, again, I like to pull these things out because I get bored and I'm one of those guys that fidgets with my phone. But this thing has saved me from so many drops and so many falls. And this is what I wanted to share with you, right? Here is the iPhone 10 case. Still basically, aside from the damage I did to it, it looks brand new. These things look so good. I don't even need the unboxing knife. And the wear and tear on it is very minimal. And that's what I love about it. And look, here it is. We have the Plasma UAG. If we go ahead and compare it to the iPhone 10, a couple things that are a little different is they no longer have this. So let's be mindful of this. This is definitely raised up a little more. So the design of the case has changed, and I want to bring that out. And I think just by looking at it, we have nothing but improvements. It's what we need, guys. We need this kind of protection. So here it is, my beautiful iPhone XS Max. 10S, 10X Max. Beautiful phone, beautiful case, and it's clear. So you still get the benefit of seeing the gorgeous color of the phone. You get the protection of your camera hump. You get raised edges there and there and there. I mean, if you can see what I'm seeing, there's a gap in there in between the phone and the material, which means your phone's protected. That it's not gonna fall and hit the material. There's gonna be a protection. There's gonna be a little cushion in there, and that's what we need. And if you're looking for a case to be like, hey, I need to remove that camera hump, this is it. No camera hump, it's perfect. That's solid, that's super solid. Let's go ahead and move on to the Plio, which I will tell you, my last review, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus of the Plio, I was like, this is my least favorite of all the cases. And that's what I said. And then I started using it for about a week because I wanted to try it out, and I fell in love with this line, and I need you to know that. The reason is it's thin, it's durable, it removes the camera hump, exactly what we're looking for. It feels like it's got a little bit of a good grip, like it's not slick plastic where my hands are just gonna bloop, bloop, drop it, bloop, 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 right? So here's what's important. Again, we have raised edges, raised, no camera hump, raised, beautiful cutouts all the way around, nice and easy peasy, no issues. My biggest dilemma right now is which case am I going to use first, because I love both of these. I love that I can keep the color of my phone and let everybody see it here. It's my favorite case ever. And I love this color, and I love the Plio. So I'm kind of stuck being in love with both of these cases. Which one do I choose? Here we are. Two of my favorite cases. We have the Plasma and we have the Plio. Now, I'm expecting a couple more cases to come in the mail, which I'm super excited about. I will definitely do a review and an unboxing as soon as those come out. Here are these two cases. I definitely would suggest and recommend them to anyone who is looking to protect their cell phone. I'm telling you, I've never broken a phone in these cases. This isn't approved by them. I'm not saying to go and throw the phones on the ground to see if they break. I'm just saying they've always protected my phones. They'll protect your phones. You like to protect your phones? You need this case or one like it. They've got a ton of options. Check out the website, browse through the inventory, find the one that matches your price range, find the one that matches your style. You won't be disappointed. Here for the Love of Tech, we are always doing another giveaway. That is right. We have a Gleam link in the description below. Check out the link, participate. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Hit the notification bell so that way you actually know when our videos are coming out. Thank you for watching. Go in your drawers, go behind your desk, go in your closet, pull out those old electronics that aren't being used, dust them off, shine them up, polish them, give them to someone that doesn't have them, put a smile on someone's face. And for the Love of Tech, namaste.